Hi, welcome back to another video. This video is coming to you a little later than I expected because I had a bit of a situation. I had ants in my room on my bed and I had to deal with that, but I think it's taken care of now because I don't see any anymore. It was actually kind of my fault because on my birthday I took some cute pictures on my bed with cake, and yes, you can imagine what happened next. But anyway, this is an unboxing of everything I got during the month of June, which is my birthday month. Some are from brands that I worked with, and some are stuff that I got as gifts for my birthday, and some are stuff that I got on my own. And I see a lot of kids on YouTube just unboxing all of their presents, so I thought it'd be cool if I did one of those too. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. And yeah, let's get right into it. Start with this one first because this is the reason why I started my YouTube channel. So basically, I've been told to start a YouTube channel for the longest time because I was on TikTok for a long time, but I never really had the time to actually put in the work and get started on it because I always had my law exams going on. So I thought I would start on a YouTube channel when I am actually done with all of that. It's a type of a tripod, and my boyfriend got it for me, and I actually didn't get this on my birthday. I got it like 2 months before my birthday, and he's like, you know what, I'm giving this to you now because I want you to start using it and start on YouTube, because during April I had a tiny bit of extra time. So yeah, this is the reason I started YouTube. I think it's out of battery, but anyways, what happens is you like fix your phone over here and then this just turns on its own. I'm still quite learning how to use it. It has some cool features as well. Gimbal also comes with a light which is over here, so it comes in like 3 different types of lights. There's a white light, yellow light, and like a warm white kind of light. One of the reasons why I started YouTube so soon. I really like this thing. If you can see it, but this is another thing that I got in my birthday month, and I genuinely think it's a sign for me to start traveling and take a break from everything. This is a suitcase, obviously, and what's special about this is that it actually has a digital scale over here, which is crazy because usually we know that when we have suitcases, you have to strap on a scale to see how much your luggage weighs. But in this, you can actually check it right over here. This is something that a brand sent me, and this color is also pretty cool, bright, and it just moves so easily. And yeah, I can't wait to travel with this one. I thought I'll show you guys this skincare set that just came in a few days ago. It has cleansing balm, which is basically a cleanser. There's also a clarifying lotion, liquid soap, which I think is really cool. I've always wanted to try a cleansing balm. I cannot wait to try this out, and these are all travel sized versions. So I can take it with me in my new luggage when I travel next time. But I'm gonna try this cleansing balm first and see because I've heard that it's really, really good. So this is a gift that I got like a week before my birthday because I really, really needed one. These are actually noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth earphones. I have an Apple phone and this connects to that. It connects to my laptop. The sound is pretty solid. I just wear this whenever I have to like clean my room. It just feels so nice, and obviously I'm super productive when there's good music around. And when I tried it on, my mom was there too and she got one as well. So after I brought it home and I showed it to my boyfriend, then he wanted one as well. So I think it's like a really good gift if you want to get it for somebody. So this is what it looks like. I call this the Bitterware, and it's like that. So you just have to plug this in and it charges in like 2 hours, which is pretty great. I would probably use these for like 2 hours a day max, and it lasts me for about a week without having to charge. I think this is pretty solid, very convenient, it's very comfortable in my ear. I'm so glad I got one of these because I really need it. So that's that. This is a gift that I got on the day of my birthday when I went for lunch. You guys probably saw it on my previous birthday vlog. So this is actually a ring, like a lot of pretty pink stones and like a big stone over here. It's pretty cute. Love that the stones are purple. That's another one. And so in my previous vlog, I told you guys that I went to a bag store with my mom and that we got a couple of stuff, but I didn't show you what exactly it was. So this is what I got. So excited to show you. So one of you had asked in my vlog what the place was, and it's called Madam for Bag. It's in Hill Street, Devalla. And this is like the third time we've actually gone and got stuff from there, and I think their bags are pretty high quality and solid. It's not sponsored, by the way, this is just my opinion. It comes in this cloth protective bag as well. This is the bag. It is super cute. Oops, wrong way. It's so nice. Like I can just wear this or I can just carry it like this. And I've seen online like those pictures of like the tiny little bags that people carry, and I wanted one as well. So I got this. And also the coolest thing is that this has blue, dark blue, red, purple, gold, and I can wear it with either one of those colors. And that's what it looks like inside. Before I bought it, I actually tried fitting my phone in there, because if I can't fit my phone, there's actually no point in me taking a bag, right? So I fit my phone and it fit, and that's a win too. I still haven't been able to wear it though. Kind of sad, but it's okay. I'm gonna wear it soon. Since we're on to bags, I'm gonna show you another one which I got for my birthday from someone in my family. Like, I just put the strap inside because I didn't want it to go all over, but it looks like this. And this type of bag, it's basically cane and the brown strap. It's been on the back of my mind for the longest time, but I never really knew, oh my gosh, like I should go and buy this bag today, because I would do that for clothes, but bags not so much unless I really have nothing to do. So this is the inside. It's pretty cute. It has like a floral fabric. I can't wait to wear this because I don't think I own a green bag. I think it's like perfect with a sundress or a maxi dress or something like that, and I cannot wait to wear it out. This one I was so excited to show you guys. It is a package from my favorite brand since I actually started wearing makeup for the first time as like a teenager. And this is from MAC Sri Lanka. They opened a store. Some stuff that they gave me for attending an event. They gave me a cleansing oil, which is pretty cool because I've been wanting to try a cleansing oil. And they also gave me this strobe cream. It's basically a moisturizer with like highlighter in it. It makes your makeup stand out really nicely. And they also gave me this, which is their mascara. I think this is the best mascara that you can get from any store ever. This just makes you look like you have really long lashes and really pretty eyes. And I posted a video of this on my shorts and on my TikTok as well. So if you want to see close up how it looks, you should definitely go and check out that video. This is just amazing, like so worth your money if you want to get it. And they also gave me powder blush, and it's in the shade Burnt Pepper. I tried this on and I feel like it's so suitable for a Asian warm skin tone, and I'm not a big blush person. Like I would wear 2 different shades of blush and that's it. and this also works really well for me. There is also an eyeshadow. This is a shimmery kind of eyeshadow and it's called Cranberry Frost. It has like a purplish slight shimmer to it, and I haven't really tried it on my eye yet, but I am excited because I have like a wedding at the end of this month, so definitely on the books for that. There is also a lipstick which kind of matches the shade of the eyeshadow that they sent. So this is the Amplified Cream Lipstick. It's the shade Up the Amp. It's more of a purple, which I haven't worn in quite a while, so I'm pretty excited to see how that looks. The last time I wore purple lipstick was probably in 2018. So yeah, that is pretty exciting. And they've also sent Crayon Core in the shade Feline. Excited to try that too. I think they have put together this bag really thoughtfully because these are some pretty solid stuff. Favorite part, I went to Kelly Felder twice in June, so this is like the favorite set of stuff that I got. They're so pretty. First up, I got this purple bodysuit. It looks like this, and I think the color is just so nice. I knew that purple bodysuit would go with these jeans really well. This really pretty Barbie pink dress, and it comes with a belt as well. And then I also got this, like a linen material, perfect for like a daytime occasion. It's perfect to have like a white skirt or even pants, I feel. And it looks really comfortable, which is the main reason why I got it. This pink crop top that comes with a pink collar, and it has a really cute touch to it. Like when I wore it, I really liked it, so I got it. So I got all that when I went like 2 days after my birthday. During the beginning of June, I went and I got these stuff. I also got this pink crop top. You can tie the back, and the front has a little bit of a corset detail going on. Got this brown crop top which has the label over here and this crisscross detail, and I got the same thing in purple as well. Okay, we're done. So if you did enjoy that mini haul of the clothes that I got, I actually do more detailed ones on my TikTok. So if you want to see them, you can go to my TikTok and check it out as well. It was a really nice month for me, mainly because of all of this, but also because it's my birthday month and I love my birthday. It's literally my most favorite day of the entire year. It's like Christmas, but for me. Guys, we have reached the end of this unboxing video of everything that I got during my birthday month. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you do like this type of videos of like unboxing things or like different products, I have a lot that I can actually show you guys. So let me know in the comments if you do like it. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing all of these with you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the love that you've been showing me on my YouTube channel. So until I see you in my next video, I hope you have a great week ahead, and I will see you then. Bye.